Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to source for all things tech and innovation. Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey exploring the intersection of technology and finance. Our focus? Artificial intelligence, or AI, and how to leverage it to make money. AI is no longer a concept of the future. It's here, shaping our world, transforming industries, and creating a plethora of opportunities. From self-driving cars to voice assistants, AI is everywhere, making life easier and more efficient. But beyond that, it's a powerful tool capable of generating significant income. Whether through creating AI solutions, investing in AI-powered businesses, or leveraging AI for business operations, this technology holds immense potential. It's a gold mine waiting to be tapped, a revolution that's upending traditional ways of making money. So, are you ready to explore this brave new world of AI and money-making? Stay with us as we delve into the innovative ways to make money with AI. Before we dive into how to make money with AI, it's important we understand what AI is. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that deals with the simulation of intelligent behavior in computers. In simpler terms, it's about creating machines that mimic human intelligence, enabling them to learn, reason, perceive, and make decisions. Now, AI isn't a far-off futuristic concept. It's here, now, working quietly in the background of many things we take for granted. It's in our smartphones, powering virtual assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. It's in our cars, helping to navigate traffic and even park. It's even in our homes, learning our routines to optimize energy usage and keep us comfortable. But AI isn't just about making our lives easier. It's a game changer across industries. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics and patient care, enabling doctors to predict and prevent diseases before they occur. In finance, it's helping to detect fraudulent transactions in real time, saving businesses billions each year. And in retail, AI is personalizing the shopping experience, predicting what customers want before they even know it themselves. It's clear that AI is no longer a novelty, but a necessity. It's driving efficiency, reducing costs, and creating new opportunities for innovation and growth. And as the technology advances, so does its potential. We're moving towards a future where AI could be as integral to our lives as electricity or the internet. But what does all this mean for us? How can we leverage this technology to our advantage? Well, AI is not just for tech giants and billion-dollar corporations. It's accessible to anyone with an interest and a willingness to learn. And as we'll see in the next sections, there are several ways you can tap into the power of AI to make money. Now that we have an understanding of AI, let's explore how it can be a money-making tool. AI has become a game changer in the business world. Now, let's dive into how businesses can leverage this powerful technology. Artificial intelligence can be a powerful tool for data analysis. Businesses generate vast amounts of data every day, from customer purchase histories to website traffic statistics. Sifting through this data manually is time-consuming, and important insights can easily go unnoticed. This is where AI comes in. AI-powered data analysis tools can process these vast amounts of data swiftly and accurately, identifying patterns and trends that humans might miss. These insights can inform business strategies, leading to smarter decision-making and increased efficiency. Next, let's look at customer service. Customer service is a crucial aspect of any business. It's all about understanding the needs and wants of your customers. And this is another area where AI can help. AI-powered chatbots, for instance, are capable of handling a high volume of customer queries, freeing up human staff to focus on more complex issues. These chatbots are getting smarter every day, understanding and learning from human language and providing increasingly accurate responses. This leads to more efficient customer service and a better customer experience, which can ultimately result in higher customer retention rates. Lastly, AI can play a significant role in automation. Many routine business tasks can be automated using AI, such as scheduling meetings, managing emails, or even processing invoices. This automation can save businesses a significant amount of time and resources, allowing employees to focus on more strategic tasks. Automation not only improves efficiency, but it can also reduce the risk of human error. So how does all this lead to increased profits? Well, improved efficiency from data analysis and automation can reduce costs. Better customer service can increase customer loyalty and repeat business. And of course, the time and resources saved can be invested back into the business, leading to further growth and profitability. As you can see, AI has the potential to significantly boost your business revenue. The opportunities are endless. It's all about finding the right AI solution for your business and harnessing its power to your advantage. Aside from integrating AI into your business, there are other ways to make money with this technology. In the world of investment, artificial intelligence presents a broad spectrum of opportunities. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting out, AI companies are worth considering for your portfolio. Now, why is that so? Well, the answer lies in the rapidly expanding role of AI in nearly all aspects of life. From healthcare and transportation to entertainment and finance, AI is revolutionizing industries and creating vast new markets. This rapid growth translates into a booming sector ripe for investment. The global AI market was valued at approximately $40 billion in 2020 and is projected to reach nearly $300 billion by 2026. That's a whopping growth of over 600% in just 6 years. Investing in AI companies can take several forms. The most straightforward way is buying stocks in public AI companies. Giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are leading the AI revolution and provide stable investment options. But don't forget about smaller, innovative companies that are pushing the boundaries of AI technology. These might offer considerable returns if their technologies take off. Besides stocks, venture capital is another way to invest in AI. Venture capitalists invest in startups hoping for a significant return when the startup succeeds. AI-focused venture capital funds allow you to invest in a collection of AI startups, spreading the risk and potentially reaping the rewards of the next big AI breakthrough. Lastly, indirect investment in AI can also be profitable. Companies that supply hardware and software to AI companies, or firms that stand to benefit from AI adoption in their industry, also present interesting investment opportunities. Remember, while the potential returns are high, so are the risks. It's crucial to do thorough research and perhaps seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. Investing in AI can be a lucrative venture if done wisely. For the tech enthusiasts out there, developing AI solutions can be a profitable endeavor. Let's delve into the world of AI development and explore how you can turn your tech skills into a lucrative income source. AI technology is permeating every corner of our world, from healthcare to entertainment, making the demand for AI developers higher than ever. Companies, large and small, are on the lookout for skilled individuals who can create innovative AI solutions to streamline their operations, enhance customer experience, or simply to stay ahead in this tech-driven era. And this demand translates into attractive income opportunities. According to reports, AI developers can earn on average between $80,000 to $150,000 per year in the United States, with top earners reaching well into six figures. This income potential is a reflection of the value that these professionals bring to the table, with their ability to leverage AI to drive business growth and innovation. But how do you tap into this opportunity? First, you'll need to hone your technical skills. Programming languages such as Python and Java, along with knowledge of machine learning algorithms and data analytics, are fundamental in AI development. There are numerous online courses and resources available to help you learn and master these skills. Once you've got the technical aspect down, it's time to flex your creative muscles. AI is not just about coding and algorithms, it's about creating solutions that can address real-world problems. Whether it's developing a chatbot to enhance customer service, creating a predictive model to help businesses make informed decisions, or designing an AI-powered app that can transform an industry, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the key to success in AI development lies not just in technical expertise, but also in your ability to think outside the box and innovate. So put on your thinking cap, let your creativity run wild, and start building AI solutions that can change the world. With the right skills and creativity, you can create AI solutions that can solve real-world problems and make money in the process. As we come to the end of this video, let's quickly summarize what we've discussed. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, demystifying its complexities and revealing its profound potentials. Our exploration began with understanding AI, its workings, and its growing significance in our world. We then delved into the realm of business, discussing how AI can redefine operations, enhance customer experiences, and drive profitability. Our journey continued into the intriguing world of AI investment opportunities, highlighting that even without a tech background, anyone can be part of this technological revolution. We concluded with how to build AI solutions, underscoring that with the right knowledge and resources, one can create innovative AI applications that can generate substantial income. The world of AI is vast and full of opportunities for those willing to leverage it. We hope you found this video insightful. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more tech and innovation content. Until next time, keep exploring the possibilities of AI.